Hello everyone, and welcome to this English speaking power session. Today, we are going to train your English speaking skills in a simple, natural, and enjoyable way. This session is designed for beginners and intermediate learners who want to speak English with confidence. Don't worry about making mistakes. Every mistake is a step toward fluency. The most important thing is to speak loudly, clearly, and confidently. Listen carefully, repeat after each sentence, and imagine you are having a real conversation. The more you practice, the better you become. Let's begin with a positive mindset. Say after me, I can learn English. I speak English every day. I am becoming more confident. Mistakes help me improve. I enjoy learning English. Excellent. These simple affirmations prepare your mind for success. Now let's start with a warm-up conversation. Good morning. How are you today? I am doing great, thank you. I hope you are having a wonderful day. What time did you wake up this morning? I woke up early because I wanted to practice English. That is a great habit. What did you eat for breakfast? I had eggs, bread, and tea. That sounds delicious. Do you usually eat breakfast every day? Yes, I do because breakfast gives me energy. Wonderful. Healthy habits make learning easier. Now let's practice introducing yourself. Hello. My name is Sarah. Nice to meet you. I am 25 years old. I live in a beautiful city. I work as a teacher. In my free time, I enjoy reading books and watching movies. I also like learning new languages. My favorite season is spring because the weather is pleasant. I love spending time with my family and friends. Thank you for listening. Now pause the video and introduce yourself using the same pattern. Let's continue with daily routine vocabulary. I wake up at 6 o'clock every morning. I brush my teeth and wash my face. Then I take a shower. After that, I get dressed. I prepare breakfast and enjoy a cup of coffee. I leave home at 8 o'clock. I go to work by bus. I start work at 9. During lunch, I talk with my coworkers. After work, I go to the gym. In the evening, I cook dinner and relax. Before going to bed, I read a book for 30 minutes. Finally, I sleep at 10:30. Now repeat every sentence with confidence. Let's practice asking and answering questions. What is your favorite food? My favorite food is pizza because it is delicious. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is blue because it makes me feel calm. Where do you live? I live in a peaceful neighborhood. What do you do? I am a student. I am learning English every day. What are your hobbies? I enjoy playing football, reading books, and listening to music. What is your dream? My dream is to speak English fluently and travel around the world. Excellent work. Now let's imagine you are meeting someone for the first time. Hello. My name is David. What's your name? My name is Ali. Nice to meet you, Ali. Nice to meet you too. Where are you from? I am from Pakistan. That's wonderful. What do you do? I am a university student. Do you enjoy studying? Yes, I love learning new things every day. What subjects do you like? I like English, science, and history. What do you usually do on weekends? I spend time with my family and practice English. That's a great way to improve your skills. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Now let's practice speaking about your family. I have a small family. There are 5 people in my family. My father works in an office. My mother is a wonderful cook. I have 1 brother and 1 sister. We love spending time together. Every weekend, we watch movies, eat dinner, and share funny stories. My family always supports me. I am grateful for them. Let's move to shopping. Excuse me. How much is this shirt? It is $20. Do you have it in a larger size? Yes, we do. Can I try it on? Of course. The fitting room is over there. I like it. I'll take it. How would you like to pay? I will pay by credit card. Thank you for shopping with us. Have a nice day. You too. Now let's practice at a restaurant. Good evening. Welcome to our restaurant. Thank you. May I see the menu? Certainly. What would you recommend? Our grilled chicken is very popular. That sounds good. Would you like something to drink? Yes, I would like a glass of orange juice. Would you like dessert later? Yes, maybe chocolate cake. Excellent choice. Thank you. Enjoy your meal. Now let's practice talking about the weather. How is the weather today? It is sunny and warm. Do you like sunny weather? Yes, I love sunny days. What do you usually do when it rains? I stay at home and read books. What is your favorite season? My favorite season is winter because I enjoy cool weather. Fantastic. Let's practice expressing opinions. In my opinion, learning English is very important. I agree with you. Why do you think so? Because English helps us communicate with people from different countries. That's true. What do you think about online learning? I think online learning is convenient and flexible. Would you recommend it? Yes, especially for busy people. Excellent conversation. Now let's talk about travel. Have you ever traveled by airplane? Yes, I have. Where did you go? I visited Malaysia last year. How was your trip? It was amazing. What did you enjoy the most? I loved the beautiful beaches and delicious food. Would you like to travel again? Absolutely. I hope to visit many countries. Great job. Now let's practice speaking with confidence. Remember these powerful sentences. I believe in myself. I can speak English. I improve every single day. I am not afraid of mistakes. Practice makes perfect. I speak slowly and clearly. Every conversation makes me stronger. Confidence comes from practice. I never give up. Success starts today. Now let's do a shadowing exercise. Repeat immediately after hearing each sentence. Today is a beautiful day. I am excited to learn English.
I enjoy speaking with new people. Every lesson makes me smarter. I practice English every morning. I listen carefully. I repeat confidently. I speak naturally. I smile while speaking. I enjoy the learning journey. Wonderful! Let's finish with a longer conversation. Hello, Emma. How was your weekend? It was fantastic. I went to the park with my family. That sounds fun. What did you do there? We had a picnic, played games, and took many photos. Did the weather stay nice? Yes, it was sunny all day. What was your favorite part? I enjoyed talking with my family and watching the sunset. That sounds peaceful. What about your weekend? I stayed home and practiced English. Really? How long did you practice? About 1 hour every day. That's impressive. Thank you. I want to become fluent. Keep practicing. You are doing an excellent job. I will. Thanks for encouraging me. You're always welcome. Before we finish this power session, remember that fluency is not about speaking perfect English. Fluency is about communicating your ideas with confidence. Every day you practice, you become a little better than yesterday. Read English books, listen to English podcasts, watch English videos, think in English, and speak English whenever you have the chance. Even if you only practice for 15 or 20 minutes each day, your progress will surprise you. Believe in yourself, stay consistent, and never stop learning. Now say these final sentences aloud. I am confident. I am improving every day. English is becoming easier for me. I enjoy speaking English. I can communicate with confidence. My future is bright. Thank you for joining this English speaking power session. Keep practicing every day, stay motivated, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Have a wonderful day and keep speaking English with confidence.